Hello judges, we are DroidRage Team 3381.
Hi, my name is Maddie. I'm part of First for 7 seasons and I am a sophomore in a homeschooling program.
Hi, my name is Georgia. I've been in First for 6 seasons and I'm a junior at Valders High School.
Hi, my name is Kara. I've been a part of First for 4 seasons and I'm a junior at Tilton High School.
DroidRage is part of the Lakeshore First Robotics program, which has helped taking part in starting 11% of First Robotics competition teams in Wisconsin.
Inception. The Lakeshore First Robotics program began as DroidRage in 2010. We very quickly came to the conclusion that we wanted to spread the message of FIRST all over Manitowoc County. We did this by encompassing all 4 levels of FIRST and becoming a 501c3 federal nonprofit organization. We have a goal of having 10% of all Manitowoc County students within the program by 2027.
Increasing. In 2010, there were no FIRST teams in Manitowoc County. Since then, DroidRage has helped the Lakeshore First Robotics program grow to 13 FLL Junior, 15 FLL, 5 FTC, and 4 FRC teams. The Lakeshore First Robotics program has 4.2% or 344 students in Manitowoc County involved. We have also spread outside of Manitowoc County by creating 3 FRC teams in Sheboygan and Green Bay. Because the demand continues to grow for more FRC teams in our area, we've decided to create a team at Manitowoc Lincoln High School next season. This will be the 5th FRC team in our county.
Institution. A big event happening this year is the opening of the Lakeshore First Robotics Educational Center. This gives us the ability to host STEM fairs and mentor training. This also creates a home for teams that do not have a place to meet and a research center for all teams part of the Lakeshore First Robotics program. We can also take our sponsors here to help them get a deeper understanding of FIRST.
Introduction. For those students who are not in the FIRST program, this summer we'll begin teaching classes at our educational center. These summer classes will be taught by DroidRage students, mentors, and alumni. Classes will include CAD with 3D printing, Intro to Programming, FLL in a week, and Graphic Design with Movie Making. These classes will be geared towards students in 4th through 8th grade.
Inclusion. DroidRage has a very deep understanding that it is important to include all students if they are eager to learn and work hard, regardless of age, gender, religion, or financial position. Every student deserves to be a part of a team no matter what differences may be present. This prepares us for the future when we will be working with people from many different backgrounds.
Infrastructure. We understand that it takes more than one person to run the Lakeshore First Robotics program. So we put together a group of dedicated mentors that meet monthly and have formed a steering committee. They discuss tasks such as setting a budget, preparing events, and coordinating communication with the community. We encourage all students to participate in these meetings to gain a deeper understanding of FIRST. Our mentors also meet yearly as an advisory council to present to our corporate sponsors and educational partners to ensure they know what the future holds.
Investment. Students on DroidRage, as well as other teams in the area, are responsible for finding funding for all levels of the Lakeshore First Robotics program. We do this by creating a presentation that is beneficial for both current sponsors as well as potential sponsors. We also bring along robots and models from all levels of the FIRST program so that our sponsors know what all of our students are up to. Having us find the funding reinforces the student-led initiative that is the value of FIRST.
Involvement. Each year, DroidRage hosts several competitions to keep FIRST close to the community. Early each year, we host a practice FLL tournament to prepare teams in our area for their regionals. Each November, we host 2 LEGO League Junior Expos and 2 LEGO League competitions at a local college in one weekend. At these events, we have fully sized FTC and FRC fields set up with teams from the area competing throughout the weekend. Younger students are encouraged to go talk to the older students and drive the big robots, inspiring them to keep moving up the FIRST ladder. This is the only event in Wisconsin that has all 4 levels of FIRST competing at one event. This year, we also hosted for the first time an FTC tournament at our high school. This year we had 14 teams in attendance with hosts for 24 teams next year. Many students on DroidRage volunteered to make these events a success. This includes judging for the FLL Junior Expo, filming and timing presentations, and setting up for the FLL and FTC tournaments.
inspiration. We work hard to spread the message of FIRST throughout the community and throughout the year. We do Baldur's, Chilton, and Manitowoc parades where we build a float with a running robot and pass information at all levels of FIRST. For Next Star Energy Days, we have a model or robot from each level of FIRST and STEM activities for students to enjoy, such as driving the big robots and building Lego robots. For Summerfest and RoboFest are both mock competitions that we compete in, and every year we have the booth at the Manitowoc County Fair to show the community what FIRST is all about. We've also started collecting items for our local Humane Society and Peter's Pantry.
Instilling. 22% of DroidRage students take over 60 hours each to help mentor a team in the younger levels of FIRST. We do this so that those students may have an inspiring role model as well as a reliable source for any questions.
Indubitably, since 2010, DroidRage has helped the Lakeshore First Robotics program grow to 13 FLL Junior, 15 FLL, 5 FTC, and 4 FRC teams. In the past 8 years, DroidRage has made a huge impact on the community and is working to grow that impact in the future. Without a question, our future looks very bright.
We don't just build robots, we build people.